EGDCB-5 is the industry's first electric vehicle diagnostic and maintenance equipment that integrates vehicle diagnostics, module equalization, and module charging, discharging. EGDCB-5 Innovative Diagnostic Tablet Plus Maintenance Host Modular Integration DCDC. Taking out the tablet can be used as a diagnostic instrument. Support electric vehicle diagnostic functions and remote control maintenance host. Diagnostic tablet closed maintenance host automatically charges the tablet. Support battery pack in-depth detection. Can read SOC so signal a module voltage, temperature and voltage, maximum, minimum voltage, and other key index data. Automatically labeled abnormal data battery pack status and fault information. Automatically calculate the total voltage, differential voltage, maximum, minimum voltage, and other key index data. Automatically labeled abnormal data. Supports full system and full function testing of electric vehicles, such as code reading, code clearing, data stream reading, action testing, and special functions. Covering more than 95% of electric vehicles' full system diagnoses. Topology maps to quickly locate fault points. Supports 24-channel cell synchronous equalization, which can independently equalize a single cell in the module to avoid overcharging or over-discharging of a single cell. For OA charging and to OA discharging current, quickly adjust the battery cell to the target voltage, greatly improving the efficiency of battery pack charging and discharging. Supports multiple safety protections such as overvoltage, undervoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, reverse connection, and overtemperature to fully protect the equipment and module safety. During the working process, it monitors the voltage, current, and differential pressure of the battery cells in real time, automatically saves the data, supports curve and bar graph comparison and analysis, and generates a test report with one click. Vehicle diagnosis and module equalization charging and discharging can be carried out at the same time to improve the efficiency of vehicle repair without interfering with each other. It is suitable for all lithium battery types such as lithium ternary, lithium iron phosphate, and lithium titanate. Supports offline diagnosis of high-voltage core components such as DC converters, on-board charger, air conditioner compressor, PTC, and motor controller. EGDCB to 5 diagnostics and equalization, charging, discharging 4-in-1. All the functions of this super cost-effective